Hey, what's up, everyone? Peace and love, community. It's your favorite girl, Isis. Love you guys. Thank you for tuning in to Isis Love Show. Happy Money Monday, you guys. Happy Money Monday. And I got a tip for you guys, and I feel like it very much goes with what's happening right now in the world, you guys. Right now, we have all this panic and we have all this scare and we have all these things going on, and people don't have any way of making money now because of their jobs. They can't go to their jobs because they can't work because they gotta be quarantined. So, what can you do to prepare yourself for like state of emergencies? Like, we're in a state of emergency right now, you guys, and the best way for you to capitalize, like, this is a wealth tip. I want you guys to listen. In order for you to capitalize from this state of emergency, you need to know how to trade in the Forex market, you guys. I mean, you see all this stuff on the wall. See, a lot of times people think Forex is math. I'm here to tell you it's not all these big, crazy math numbers like E squared minus. No, if it was, I wouldn't even be here learning it, right? So the solution is Forex. Not only is this good for a state of emergencies, it's good because once you learn this skill set on how to multiply your money, right? So taking that money that you already have from your job, right? And then learning this skill set, you could be making money while you're at the house versus panicking about are things gonna run off the shelf, right? So literally, you guys, this whole freaking month literally going to be helping people learn this skill set so that you can prepare yourself for what else is to come, because this is just the tip of the iceberg, you guys. Our system is failing and we're tapping into a new system. So wealth tip for Monday is learn Forex. You guys have heard about it for too long from different people. Some of you guys don't even have the full information on it. You're just hearing it from here and there. Join in tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You guys, I'm gonna be giving it to you guys 2 times a week online, showing you guys how you can get ahead of the game with this market. Also, if you're down in Atlanta right now, if you're listening to me right now, if you're hearing this video, comment below Georgia. We have something very special for people in Georgia. We're also going to be giving some trip giveaways away. So if you're in the area of Georgia, definitely go ahead and comment GA below. Let's get you into the free concert. The free concert to win the trip, you guys. So thank you for joining Wealth Mondays. Comment below. Let me know what city you are in so we can help you out too. Peace.